In today's interconnected world, managing finances across borders has become increasingly common. Whether you're a freelancer working with international clients, an individual receiving payments from overseas, or a business with a global footprint, having efficient and cost-effective ways to receive money is crucial. Wise, formerly TransferWise, has emerged as a popular platform for international money transfers and multi-currency accounts, offering a streamlined and often more affordable alternative to traditional banking. This naturally leads to a fundamental question for many users. Can you receive direct deposits into your Wise account? The straightforward answer is a resounding yes. Wise provides its users with the capability to receive direct deposits in multiple currencies, effectively functioning like a local bank account in several regions. This feature significantly enhances the utility of a Wise account, transforming it from just a money transfer service into a versatile tool for managing international finances. To understand how this works, it's important to grasp the concept of Wise's borderless account or multi-currency account. When you open a Wise account, you gain access to virtual bank account details in various currencies, such as USD, United States dollar, Euro, GBP, British pound, AUD, Australian dollar, and many more. These aren't just random numbers. They are actual account numbers and sort codes, or their equivalents in different countries, that function similarly to a local bank account in that specific region. For instance, if you need to receive USD, Wise can provide you with a US routing number and account number. This allows anyone in the United States to send you money via direct deposit, just as they would to a regular US bank account. Similarly, for receiving euros, you'll get an IBAN, international bank account number, and a SWIFT/BIC code, enabling seamless transfers from individuals or businesses within the Eurozone. The same principle applies to other supported currencies, providing you with local bank details for each. This functionality eliminates the need for intermediaries and often hefty fees associated with traditional international bank transfers. Instead of relying on correspondent banks and enduring lengthy processing times, you can provide your Wise account details directly to the sender, and the funds will be deposited into your Wise balance in the corresponding currency. Setting up your Wise account to receive direct deposits is generally a straightforward process. Once you've opened your multi-currency account and verified your identity, you can navigate to the specific currency you want to receive funds in. Within that currency settings, you'll typically find the option to get your local bank details. Wise will then provide you with the necessary information, such as the account number, sort code, routing number, IBAN, or SWIFT/BIC code, depending on the currency. It's important to note that the availability of local bank details can vary depending on your location and the specific currencies you require. Wise is continuously expanding its network and the currencies for which it can provide these details, so it's always a good idea to check the latest information on the Wise website or app. The ability to receive direct deposits into your Wise account offers numerous advantages. For freelancers and remote workers who invoice international clients, it simplifies the payment process significantly. Instead of dealing with complicated international wire transfers and potentially high fees, they can simply provide their Wise account details and receive payments directly in the local currency. This can lead to faster payment processing and reduced costs. For individuals receiving money from family or friends abroad, Wise offers a convenient and often more affordable way to receive funds compared to traditional methods. The direct deposit functionality eliminates the need for the sender to navigate complex international transfer forms or pay exorbitant bank charges.